I picked a spot that while I'm sitting editing, I can see that. So, not something to complain about. Looking forward to staying here for a couple of days. Reception area. And fridges with cold drinks. And an ice cream fridge. And the necessary charcoal, firelighters, wood, water, and a good variety of food stuff, chocolates, chips, some fishing tackle things, toiletries. This is an area for when there's Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi hotspot. Chairs with a counter. Chairs with a counter. 3 terraces of campsites, all with braais, with grids and dustbins. And lots of security lights all over the campsite. So campsite's well lit up at night. Huge open area with lots of braais for quite a few vans and tents right on the lagoon. Lots more campsites here at the top. And this is Ablution Block number 3 that they are busy renovating now as well. Scullery and a washing trough, and then same as the other one, ladies, gents, and with a family toilet bath in the middle. A couple of sites here at the top, like very private in the corner, hidden away, well protected from the wind. And standard 3-pin plug. Standard threaded taps scattered all over the campsite. Quite a few of them. Each site has got a built-in braai and grid supplied, and there's lots of dustbins around. Ablution Block number 1, they're busy upgrading it and retiling. There's washing troughs and zincs. Ablution Block and campus kitchen rolls. Zincs and washing troughs. And if you want laundry done, you can speak to reception and they will organize to have laundry done. Ladies and gents and family or disabled ablution. 3 showers on the right and 3 toilets on the left. Toilet papers applied. Basins, urinals. Not 100% complete yet. A couple of things still outstanding, but showers, water pressure and temperature is perfect. Very good. Pool table, table tennis, soccer, big TV, dartboard, big hall right next to reception. Big hall, and then here on the side is the toilets, just for the hall, and basins, food or whatever's going on here, serving hatch, in the kitchen area, and that leads out to a big concrete slab outside, and on this side it overlooks the lagoon and the sea. This is hall 2, right here next to reception. Lots of tables, chairs, and then serving hatch from the kitchen. And that is hall 1 on the other side, through there. And that staircase leads down to the river. All right here next to the lagoon. Kitchen area. And lots of chairs and tables. Area. Big bonfire area just in front of Blue Lagoon Hall. Huge kiddies play area. Lots of different things to play on. And up there, that's where the reception is, reception area up there. There's a big obstacle course. Big kiddies play area.